Omega's iServer 2 series virtual chart recorder and Webserver allows users to easily upgrade their firmware from the web user interface, making the iServer 2 virtually future-proof. So in this video, we're going to show you how to access the online firmware library and upgrade the firmware on an iServer 2. First, you'll need to connect your iServer 2 to a PC that's connected to the internet, and then log into the web user interface. If this is your first time doing so, check out the video linked here that will walk you through the process. With the iServer 2 connected to a PC and logged into the web UI, from the main page, select the System tab, which will open the System Configuration pop-up window. Now scroll down and click the Download Firmware button. You should then see two download links appear directly below the Download Firmware button, one ending in .bin and the other ending in .hex. Click on both URLs to download the firmware files. And if you're only seeing one download link, that means that your iServer 2 unit is running an older version of the firmware, which will require an additional firmware update to bring it up to the latest. Follow the steps laid out here, but be sure to clear your web browser's cache before downloading the latest firmware files. Once the files have been downloaded to the PC, click the Browse button and navigate to the firmware files. You can select either the bin file or the hex file, since it doesn't matter in which order they're installed, and click Open. Now with the selected firmware file showing in the Firmware Upgrade dropdown, click the Upgrade button and the iServer 2 will begin the upgrade process and will reboot once the process is complete. Once the iServer 2 is back online, you can go back into the System tab, click Browse, and select the other firmware file and repeat the upgrade process. And there you have it. If you need more information about the iServer 2, contact one of our engineering experts at omega.com.